Hi, welcome to the pond. I'm Scott Wyman, the Training and Technology Coordinator at Central Texas College. Welcome to my online classroom. This session, we're going to take a look at a new way to submit certain forms in Etrieve. I say certain because I haven't implemented it on a lot of forms yet. Actually, I've implemented it on one. And that form, it's a new form, so I'm testing the new form. I'm testing a new way for form originators. Right? This only applies to form originators. Everybody after this, for right now, will still follow the same approve it or decline it. Understand that on many of our forms now, I've added the feature to where if a form is declined, it goes to the trash or the delete me file. So only use decline if you want that form removed from the workflow. If it needs correction, then you'll use the return button. Okay. Most forms should not have a refer button anymore, and you shouldn't refer unless absolutely necessary if you have that button. But again, if a form just needs correction, return it to a previous user. You don't decline a form because there's an error. You decline a form because you are denying whatever the request that form is asking for. Okay? All right, so let me switch over to my desktop. And this is our new form. This is the employee injury or incident report form for risk management. And I added that note that I just mentioned. Clicking the decline button will send this form to the trash. Use the return button for corrections. All right, so this form is pretty simple. I'll go ahead and fill it in. This is just a test form, so I'm not going to put anything pertinent in here. All right, so here's the new part. I want to draw your attention to the submit button down here. You'll notice it doesn't just say submit anymore for this form. Okay, again, I'm going to try and incorporate this into other forms as well, but for now it's just this form. When you click the submit to button, you're going to get this pop-up window. So the benefit of doing things this way is if somebody returns a form to you and you keep that one and submit a new one instead of correcting the first one, then you can send forms from your inbox to my delete me group. Okay? So if you want a form deleted from your inbox, or it's not really deleting it, it's removing it from your inbox, you click this delete forms and it'll ask you if you're sure. You select that option and you click send to selected. That's if you want to remove a form from your inbox. If you want to submit this form to your supervisor, then you're going to select the supervisor box. And then the easiest way to do this would be to just search for them by last name. So if I wanted to send this, well, I'll just send it to me so I can check the routing and everything. You just type their last name. Their name shows up. You click the radio button beside their name, and then you click send to selected. And off it goes. Okay. So for the forms, I'm trying to do this for all forms that go from originator to supervisor. as opposed to typing a name and then clicking a search button like you do on the leave form right now. That's one of the ones that I'm going to change. I think this will make it a little easier. I don't know. But we'll find out. Okay, we'll find out. So that's what this is all about. This is called user-directed routing, if you're curious. So don't be surprised when you get a different button. Hopefully everybody's going to take a look at this video. If you have questions, give me a call. I'll put my phone number up here. Shoot me an email. Put my email address up here. Or if you're on Jabber, you can jabber me. Okay? So with that, I'm going to say thanks for being here. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. And we'll talk to you later.